Okay, thermal regulator for a master temp 400 on the manifold of the heater is located here. Take a screwdriver. If you don't have it in both, it could break one of these notches like that. So make sure you get both notches. And if it doesn't want to come out, you might have to assist with channel locks. But normally it works with a flathead, a thin flathead. And once you get a couple turns, it's loose enough to where you can do it by hand. It is spring tension on there, but this will shoot out once it's unscrewed, like so. Pay attention to how this spring sits. Right here, it's lining up with these threads. That's how you know it's in correctly. And by fill. This guy was calcified like crazy. Now you want him to come out. Okay, so we got a broken bypass in the way. So for this video purposes, this is what it should look like with the clip. So we'll take that clip out and put the new thermostat in there. Let's see if these channel locks are the go-to. I usually use pliers, but I do not have my tools with me. Okay, so we'll use a flathead clip, put the new one on by squeezing that in there. And then you got your clip back in. Remember, slide that in kind of by fill. If it happens to be like that, you know, it'd be really hard to not have it in right, but that's how I like to judge whether it's in all the way or not, or where it's supposed to be. And then getting this a quarter turn on can be a bugger sometimes. Once that's on, you can start screwing her back on, and you don't want it super tight. You just want it all the way on, because that O-ring will do the work for you as far as getting it sealed. And since I have this here, I'm gonna make it easier for myself and just get her going. Just snug. Not even snug. Just on a little